Hurricane Michael is a Category 1 storm as it moves across the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico this morning.
The storm is expected to be even stronger when it reaches the coast of Florida later this week. Now, yesterday, Michael slammed into western Cuba, bringing rain and strong winds. The storm is expected to make landfall on the Florida Panhandle as a Category 3 storm.
Michael may dump up to a foot of rain in that area. Florida's governor activated members of the National Guard and declared an emergency in some counties. Now, after making landfall in Florida, Michael could turn to the northeast and dump heavy rain in our area.
Not good news.
No.
Now, crews in parts of Hampton Roads are working to prevent flooding ahead of the storm today. 10 News side's Kiahnna Patterson joins us now live in Virginia Beach this morning. And Kiahnna, the city is focusing on a particular area today.
Yes, Don and Katie, we're here at the Asheville Park neighborhood near Pungo, and this area floods often. Well, today, Virginia Beach Public Works will manually pump the drainage system here ahead of Hurricane Michael. Here's a look at the flooding from 2016. Crews say they want to be ready for potential rain, and the storm will reach Hampton Roads by Thursday and bring heavy rain with it. Now, the Public Works crews began pumping that drainage system yesterday, and they will continue until today, so that water will have somewhere to go. For now, we're in Virginia Beach. Kiahnna Patterson, 10 on your side.